Oh, it's a hat. Oh, you're so smart. Even come here. That's a magazine-worthy picture right there. So this is the client. Definitely the fussiest one I've had to date. Yeah, I mean, so demanding. Now, Avian, let's give everyone show them what your room looks like so far, and then we'll show them what it looks like at the end. So when you come in, we have a blank wall here with lovely bunting, and Avian loves the colour pink and green. And then currently Avian is in the cot, yeah, which I don't know if she'll be in for much longer, but we're going to bear that in mind with the designer, Avian, yeah. And then over here we have the wardrobes. This is Avian's favourite part. Avian's a little fashionista. So we're going to paint all of these because these are like built in. So I mean, if you took them out, there'd be a mess, I'm assuming, behind. And where? Do you want to go in there? Oh, sorry, you want to go in again? Over here is where the biggest difference is going to be. We're going building in maybe some storage shelves and like a nice kind of feature wall for our bed. We've got new bedding. A really cool lighting feature over here actually. And a really cool design feature, I think. And then there's this really cool pictures over here as well that we're going to try to incorporate into the actual shelving, because there's a lot of nice display items, like even the artwork over here, which would be cool to have like kind of features for them. And then we have this really cool wallpaper that we're going to put in here as well, because it wouldn't be a GMC project without wallpaper. And we're going to paint all the skirting, getting a new rug, a new light. Even come here. And then we're going to get a new light, and it's going to look amazing. So that's the before. We'll keep you updated and get back to you when we start working on everything. So Avian's going to show us some of the new items that she got for her room. So first of all, we have Ray. Yeah, the zebra. I think Avian's more interested in the box than the content. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness. What's that, Avian? Is this for your room?
Red.
Oh, yeah. And we have these cute little mushroom storage baskets. Should I like them, maybe? I don't know, just give you an idea of what to expect. Oh, it's a hat. Oh, you're so smart. I wouldn't even thought that. Oh, that's you. Gonna fit me. Ooh. Oh, sorry, it goes on there. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So, are you excited, Avian, to do up your room? Are you excited? I'm so excited, James. Say goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. Are you ready to show everyone your new room, Avian? Yeah. Woo! Come on in. Oh, okay, so where do you want to start? As you can see, it's a huge difference. Oh, your bed! So, right, we'll start over here, will we, Avian? What's this over here? What did we do? Did we make you a new bed surround? This is the biggest difference. I really wanted to create something a bit more soft and feminine. Oh, your seat, yeah. We'll get to the seat in a minute. So we're starting at the wardrobe, I guess. So we painted everything. We painted this beautiful forest green, free foam green by the Little Green Company. I just thought the colour was very deep and rich, and I liked it against the pink. If you've seen the How to Create a Colour Scheme video, you would have saw a sneak peek at this and how I put it together. We wanted to go with like kind of brass element. Sorry, you have to come out. We just wanted to create a space that was a bit warmer, a bit more welcoming, a bit more relaxing. You know, a nursery. Somewhere where Avian can just whisk away and just relax and get away from the hectic lifestyle that you have. So here's a space where Avian can leave all her teddies, you know, her jewellery in here. some books, a beautiful little night lamp, some artwork. Oh, you want a book? All right, you read everyone a book. I think what's very interesting about doing a toddler's room or a nursery room is the scale of everything. Like everything's way lower down. I think that was a very fun challenge for the space because it's not a very square room. There's this kind of sloped ceiling and veluxes, and it's very dynamic in shape. So I think kind of having the arches scale as they go up was a very interesting visual when you walk into the space. And I love the idea of like little night lights and stuff because it's all a bit soft and it's just, you know, it's kind of a bit more fun with a nursery. So you don't just recessed lighting all along the back here. I just think it frames and brings the attention straight to the bed, which is the main focus of the bedroom. And God, I can't get over how cute this is. So we had a bit of fun with like the accessories and stuff. We went to Amara, we went to Zara Home, we got a few accessories. This wallpaper is fantastic. I just thought like it added that depth to this wall. And funnily enough, it makes the space feel a lot bigger, even though you think by stepping out 200 millimeters would bring the space in and make it feel a bit more compact, but no, it actually makes the space feel larger. I'm just gonna spend the rest of the video down here because there's no point. We're at this level, are we, Aveen? Then we have like, you know, our little rough around box. This is our dressing area over here. Jewelry box and books. I love this little lamp. Roisin picked this up on a shopping trip at TK Maxx. I was looking for brass accessories to put into the shelving, and I had, oh, did you do it? Good on you. And I had my eye on this gold teddy bear. Oh yeah, okay, another box. See how easy accessible everything is. That's the point. Oh, will I help you? Okay, sorry. So then the bed, babies don't sleep with pillows. That's something I learned. So we got a throw cushion from Zara, the biggest one they had. But she does love all the cushions and stuff. I just kind of added this oversized throw cushion from Zara. We put this beautiful pink tartan, is it? Sheet underneath, just adds a bit of, you know, brings in the pink down here. We got this beautiful duvet cover, also from Zara. It has these beautiful little frills. Just kind of softens it, and then this beautiful throw. It's like a bit of like a pastel green kind of color. We also painted the bed because I don't think you have to change every single piece of furniture in a space. Like if it works, just reuse it. I love over here. Okay, so this is like the little play area because I mean it's not very tall for fully grown people to get into. So we have her building blocks all here in a nice little kind of tray. This is, when this came, she loved this. Like this was her favorite. This guy's name is Ray. What's his name? What's the guy's name? Name. Well, it's changed since last time I asked. So this is Ray. He's from Amara as well.
Blankie.
Oh, you want a blankie? Okay, here, look. Why don't you wrap it around you now? Oh, no, nice and toasty. Oh, the book is gone. Here, look. Look, now there's the book. There. So then over here we have some more books. This won't be here permanently. This is just for staging because this is a solid marble ball and it's not the safest thing for a toddler to have to hand. Back to arches, I forgot to mention that was just in case any of you want to duplicate this or put something like this in your home. It's made with basically MDF and it's plastered, so it looks like it's part of the wall, but it's not part of the wall. I'm obsessed with them. I just think they're amazing. But anyway, so then we put this beautiful rug in because I think every bedroom should have a floor rug. This one is from Zara Home, and oh my god, when I tell you, this is so soft. So then over here we have the little seating area. And we got these little these mushrooms. These are actually storage. So you take the lid off. Hello. Storage for all like toys or blocks. Aveen thinks these are hats. I just think this is such a nice space. Like even seeing Aveen just here on like her bed, just having a good time. It just looks very nice, and it looks very welcoming, and it's not too specific in style. It's a bit eclectic, and I really like that. And then this is just for styling as well. Like she won't be keeping this plant here next to her either because I can't imagine that's very child safe. But it's just for effect. Then you have a little mirror because she's tiny, so it's small size for her. Here, I'll help you up. Right, come here. Oh, now wrap your blanket around you.
Toto.
And your toes, yeah. I'll cover your toes, yeah. And now, there's your book. Yeah. Yeah, here, flip the page. And I just think that's a magazine-worthy picture right there. Aww. No. Yeah, just like that, all in a day's work. Bed is destroyed. Come here, come here. Oh, you're making your bed. And see, it's so easy for her to make herself. I mean, not very easy for an adult to make. Exposing us all here, Evie. Anyway, so we also added these beautiful handles. These are actually wall hooks, but I couldn't really see any. I wanted to do like a mother of pearl kind of something in the room, and I saw these on the Finnish design shop, I think was it as well. And I love the brass surround the kind of pearl inserts. And they're marked as a hanger, but I just think they function so well as a door handle. And it's lower down again because we're lowering the perspective. I'm not even going to look at the bed. I'm not even going to look at it. I'm just going to pretend that it's still made and it's still perfect because I can't. Then we have this beautiful light as well from the Finnish design shop. I just love it. It's like a flower or something. And it's just a beautiful, warm glow that comes from it, and I just think it's very captivating, and I just think like it's just fun. Like it makes the space feel young and pretty and just, you know. Avian, what's your favorite part? What's your favorite thing? The wallpaper. Is that your favorite part? Okay, say it a bit louder. What is it? What's your the wallpaper? And then also we just added a little nightlight over here because I thought it would be nice to kind of add a bit of extra glow as well. So just in case it was a bit too bright for Miss Avian, we turned it off, and it's just like a nice little kind of side light there, which is nice. But that's the impact right there. Again, we painted the walls and the ceilings all the same color. Our contrast was the green trim around the bottom and on the wardrobes. I love this room so much. I think it's such a breath of fresh air, even though it's a lot more cozy and inviting and warm than how it was before. It has personality. On camera it probably looks very bright, but in real life it's very soft. Because it couldn't be too bright, you know, for little eyes. These are actually lovely. This is from Amara as well, and like it's proper little hair. It's so cool, and it's very pretty. And they do these in like a variety of different skin tones and everything as well. It's really beautiful product. And we have also this little cloud cushion as well. I think it's just so pretty, isn't it? Isn't it? It's all just so pretty. Anyway, that's this room. My favorite part is the arches. I'm obsessed. I just think they're such a beautiful addition, and it was the part I was most excited about because I think we planned to start this last year. But then we locked in and everything. It's possible or anything. And I'm kind of glad we done it now, because I only came up with the arch idea, I think it was before the summertime. We kind of really got to figure out who Avian was and the little diva that she is. Oh gosh, shouldn't like that one. Where's ooh woo woo woo? Oh, sorry, my go. You want the hat on, sir?
Not your hat.
Oh, I have to keep the hat on, okay. Does it suit me? I'm gonna regret this one after. I feel like it's like a safari trip. Oh, you want that? Yay!
Two mushrooms.
Bye! Thank you so much for watching.
Next time.
Till next time. And have a lovely day.
Bye.
Bye. No.
Bye.
Oh.